In this video, I will explain hyperuricemia. Let's start with the introduction of uric acid. Uric acid is an end product of purine metabolism. Endogenous uric acid, approximately 300 to 600 mg derived from the endogenous sources. It is excreted through the urine normally. And exogenous uric acid obtained from diet with high purine and nucleic acid. Normal serum uric acid level is approx 3 to 6 mg per 100 ml. Uric acid is synthesized by purine metabolism. Hyperuricemia is an excess of uric acid in the blood. Uric acid passes through the liver and enters through the bloodstream. Most of it is excreted in the urine or passes through intestine to regulate normal level. Also important to blood uric acid level are purines. Purines are nitrogen containing compounds which are made inside the cell of our body, that is endogenous, or come from outside of our body from foods containing purines, that is exogenous. Purine break down into uric acid. Increased level of uric acid from excess purine may accumulate in tissues and form crystals. This may cause high uric acid level in the blood. The amount of urate in the blood depends on the balance between the amount of purine eaten in food, the amount of urate synthesized within the body, example through cell turnover, and the amount of urate that is excreted in urine or through the gastrointestinal tract. Causes: normal uric acid blood level varies between genders. 2.4 to 6 mg per dl for women and 3.4 to 7 mg per dl for men. The upper limit lies at 7 mg per dl, where any higher puts us at risk for developing hyperuricemia. The cause of hyperuricemia is divided into three categories. First, uric acid under excretion, uric acid overproduction, or combined tissues. It is classified into three categories. First, urate overproduces, second, urate excreter, third, combination of both. Urate, urate overproduction. A diet rich in high purine meat, organ foods, and legume can result in an overproduction of uric acid. The causes of urate overproduction. First, primary idiopathy, HPRT deficiency, PRPP synthetase overactivity, lymphoproliferative disease, myeloproliferative disease, polycythemia vera, psoriasis, exercise, alcohol, obesity, purine-rich diet, etc. Next, decreased uric acid excretion. The causes of decreased uric acid excretion are primary idiopathic, renal insufficiency, diabetes, hypertension, acidosis like lactic acidosis, starvation, ketosis, lead intoxication, hyperthyroidism, hyperparathyroidism, toxemia of pregnancy, Down syndrome, drug ingestion, levodopa, pyrazinamide, nicotinic acid, etc. Causes of combined mechanism are glucose 6-phosphatase deficiency, fructose 1-phosphate aldolase deficiency, alcohol, and shock. Next, alcohol-induced hyperuricemia. Alcohol promote hyperuricemia because of increased urate production and decreased uric acid excretion. Excessive alcohol consumption accelerates hepatic breakdown of ATP to increase urate production. Alcohol consumption can also induce hyperlactic acidemia, which block uric acid secretion. The higher purine content in some alcoholic beverages such as beer may also be a factor.